Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on writing or adding text on your TikTok videos. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the TikTok app and tap the plus to record your video like normal. When you have recorded your video, tap on the tick in the bottom right corner. Now you need to tap the AA text button from the bottom of the page. Type your text. You have lots of text options such as different fonts, text colors, and text outline. Tap Done when you are happy with your text. You can now hold down and drag to move your text around and pinch it to make it bigger or smaller and change its angle. If you would like your text to only be on the screen for a certain part of your video and not all of it, you can tap on the text and then tap on Set Duration. Now drag the edges of the red bar to wherever you would like your text to appear on the video. You can use the white bar to scrub and check if it's in the correct position, or tap play and watch the video. When you are happy with your text duration, tap on the tick in the bottom right corner. As you can see, the text now doesn't appear until a while into the video. If you would like to add more text, you can tap on the AA text button again and add more text. Edit it to your liking and then tap Done in the top right corner. You can now choose to have that text appear at a different time in the video by tapping on the text and then tapping Set Duration, and doing the same as before, dragging the edges of the red bar to where you would like your text to appear, and then tapping the tick when you are done. As you can see, my two text boxes are appearing at different times in my video. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.